few years, we've had several different holiday events, and what we did this year was to have one big joint party of our community groups and for our campus celebration. We are so fortunate to have such an incredible group of faculty, staff, students, community supporters, alumni who make UTC such a special place. And you are the University of Tennessee in Chattanooga, and what you do and how you do it defines this university.
It's kind of hard to determine where the line from the university ends and the community begins. It's all one and the same. And I think it shows when you come to events like this where it's everybody from the community is here to support this university, and the university is here to support the community. Congratulations on all the incredible success that this university is having in so many different ways.